Imagine a world where rockets are not just built, but printed. Agnikul Cosmos, an innovative space startup, has achieved a groundbreaking feat with the Sorted mission, marking a new era in space technology. This mission, powered by the world's first 3D-printed semi-cryogenic engine, represents a major leap forward for India's indigenous space capabilities. Originally scheduled for April 7th, the launch faced delays due to technical challenges, but made a triumphant ascent from India's first private launch pad at the Satish Dhawan Space Center. The vehicle, at 6.2 meters tall and equipped with advanced avionics and autopilot software, performed precise maneuvers before its descent into the Bay of Bengal. Powered by the Agnikul, a remarkable single-piece 3D-printed engine, the mission is not just a launch, but a bold step into the small satellite market. With this success, Agnikul Cosmos not only advances the development of the agnibaan launch vehicle, but also highlights its potential to offer customizable solutions for payloads up to 300 kilograms to a 700-kilometer orbit. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the future of space travel.